Hey, what up, traders? It's Tim Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex midweek forecast for the week of September 20 to the 24. So all we're doing today, guys, is we are gonna be doing our follow-up, the video that we recorded on Sunday. So we're gonna do the before and after. So far this month of September, we are 100% on point. Let's see what the market has to offer us this time. So what I'm gonna be doing today, guys, I will be sharing step by step exactly how I'm gonna be breaking down each pair that I told you guys on Sunday, the before and after. And remember, guys, make sure you do subscribe if you want the best tip, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss any video from in our future. All right, so let's get to work. Let me show you what the market has to offer, guys. Remember, you are trading with Tim Irvin. Our website, it's the following, is TWEforexsystem.com. So welcome to our Forex midweek forecast. All right, let's get to work. You know what, let me bring my epic pen, guys. It's very important anyway. If I don't bring the epic pen, it's gonna make the job a lot difficult, and I want to make sure what the drawing that I'm gonna be doing today, it is right on point, right? So that is the only way that you are gonna be learning how I will break down everything. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our USD JPY. This is what I told you everyone on Sunday, guys. I clearly said the following, guys. All I saw here, we are trading multiple time frame anyway. So what I saw here was there are multiple time frame here was in a buy position on Sunday. So all I have to tell you was the market was still not ready yet to be in a sell position. It was gonna come back and still give you another 15-20 pips, retesting your 50 and 61 Fibonacci line from there. Look at this perfect drawing, guys. This is gorgeous, amazing. Oh my goodness, I love this. And from there, what did I say next? I said the market was gonna be coming down simply because our multiple time frame here and everything is letting us know that we are selling. So right now, market did drop currently. So right now in real time, the market is giving us a pullback. So I'm assuming this pullback is coming to an end, and then market will resume back to business as a sell position. But I'm very, very excited, guys, to be honest. We are trading multiple time frames. So this week, hopefully everything's worked out pretty good. Remember, our goal here is to win at least 70% of our trades. We not aiming to hit 100% all the time. Yes, there will be some weeks, there will be some months where we're gonna hit home run, but all the days we have to, market have to go against us. That's part of doing business. But this trade here, it is on point, guys. And one quick reminder to everyone, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here trying to show you how to use and utilize multiple time frame system. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you guys need help or you want me to teach you how to trade, guys, let me know. I'm more than welcome to teach you how to trade, or either you can join our multiple time frame, or if you're not ready yet to join our multiple time frame, you can join our YouTube Gold membership for 30 days. You will have access how I break down every pair, and I bet you will learn tons of information in there that most likely you don't know yet. So I highly recommend everyone to join us, guys. Let me know anyway. Send me a private message if you do. All right, the next pair that I give you guys on Sunday was Euro USD. Oh my goodness, guys, Euro USD is doing exactly what I told you. This, I'm telling you, guys. Look, guys, stop wasting your money on signal. I highly recommend everyone stop wasting your money on signal. Learn how to trade, guys. Look, if you learn how to trade this business, you will be well rewarded, but you cannot depend on somebody else's idea and think, oh yeah, these people told me to take this sell here, but the question is, do you know why they were thinking that? Are they teaching you all that stuff? Because look, here on our channel, guys, this is what we do here. We gave you all this information on Sunday, information that it was not ready here yet. Look at this one, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All this information was not there. Look at what's happened now. Boom, this is utilizing multiple time frame. Multiple time frame came here, letting us know that we were in a sell position. Boom, perfect hit. our TW sniper entry also said, Irvin, I'm in a sell position, and guess what? Look at this. Boom! Market came out exactly what I told you. But what did I say on Sunday? I said, guys, the market still had potential to come back and retest this previous multiple time frame green arrow here. Perfect hit. Look at this drawing, guys. Boom! It just hit it. Let me celebrate. Let's celebrate. Woo! I'm telling you, we are here trying to collect hundreds and hundreds and what? Woo! I'm telling you, and hundreds of pips. Let's go. What else did I say? I said from here, market was gonna retrace back, retesting your 61, retesting this other multiple time frame arrows in here. Look at that drawing, guys. So damn perfect. Look at that. Boom. And then what else? Market was gonna continue his original trend as a sell. Look at what this candle just did, guys. Boom! It validates my setup exactly how I told you. So far, look, one, I gave you 2 trades. We are still at this present time 100%. Let's continue to see what the market is offering us, guys. But so far, guys, we are doing well. What do you guys think we are doing here, guys? We are on what? Can someone tell me what are we doing here? We are on what? Come on, guys, let's go. We are on what? Team with Irvin is on fire. Boom! Team with Irvin is on fire. You better believe that. That is true, guys. That is true. All right, let's see what Euro GBP is doing. Look at what Euro GBP is doing, guys. Finally, the month of September, we have one trade going against us. So far, this is what I told you. Look, I messed up, guys. I really messed up here. Look, multiple time frame on Sunday was telling us here, Irvin, we are in a buy position. This is new. This TWE sniper entry is new. So market was still damn bullish on Sunday. I don't know why I told you the market was gonna drop. Oh, you know what? There was news event. So I thought the market was gonna come back and retest your 50 to 61. Nope. Market continue all the way up to your previous multiple time frame. And here, look at this beautiful setup. Boom! It touch it. But now, guys, let me make it up in here. So this is one. So we have let's put one going against us. So we're still winning. 2 out of 1, right? We're still winning. So if I had to analyze this pair right now, guys, we are here live. If I had to analyze this pair right now, all I can say, guys, the following: market is gonna come back, retest this previous multiple time frame here, mid 23 to 38. Then market will continue his origination as a buy position. Then guess what? By then it's gonna be Friday. This is a new setup, guys. I'm telling you what is gonna happen now in the future. Look at here. Remember, the reason you are here with me, that you sign up to this channel, guys, is for me to give you information that does not exist. Look, you can challenge any of your instructor, guys. Go back and ask him, hey, can you let me know what is going to happen in the next hour, in the next day, in the next couple of days? They will not. I'm telling you. Look, pay attention to this one, guys. They will not give you this information. Hell no. You know why? Because they want to keep you in their signal program so you can keep wasting your money, but they will not give you the right information. And that is bullshit, to be honest. That is the bullshit you can ever have. But that's it is, guys. So stop wasting your money in signal. Make sure, if you don't have the multiple time frame, I highly recommend everyone to come and join us. You can grab our multiple time frame all-in-ones, but if you are not ready yet to have the multiple time frame, you can join our gold membership on YouTube for $39. You're gonna see me how I break down and so on, and then you will love what you're gonna be learning. And I guarantee you're gonna learn something that you probably don't even You don't even know. I'm telling you. The way how I teach guys is completely different from what you are seeing on the market. All right, let's get to work, guys. Let's get to the next one. The next one that I gave you guys on Sunday was USD Canadian. Amazing setup in here. Look at what happens here. Oh my goodness, this was beautiful. So what we were doing on Sunday, market was giving us a buy / pullback in here. Boom, pullback was active. Why I'm saying it's pullback? Because sales here. TW Sniper here is here letting us know that we were in a sell, but on Sunday the market was in a buy position and a pullback. So perfect. So all I have to say, guys, the market is gonna come back and retest your 23 Fibonacci line. Look at that perfect drawing, guys. It went a little bit forward, but it's fine. Perfect setup in there. And then from there, what else did I say? I said the market was gonna drop based on these two sales here, and look at what happened. Boom, market is dropping currently based on what I told you. So far we have another winning trade. So we had 3 out of 1. Still not bad, guys. That is 70% of winning ratio so far. So hell yeah, so far we are rolling, guys. What do you guys think, guys? This is it, guys. This is trading multiple time frame. Welcome to our look. Remember, we just doing our follow-up, guys. This is our Forex midweek forecast follow-up. But join us if you need to, or you either join our Gold membership. Either way is fine. What was the next pair that I gave you guys on Sunday? On Sunday, I also gave you guys AUD USD. What did I say, guys? I said the AUD USD was in a sell position on Sunday. Look at this one. Sell. Boom, sell. What was the market doing? Boom, market was selling. Look at this one, guys. Look at our TWE trend candles, guys. This belongs to us. Look at here. This trend candles here, this colors here belongs to us. Look at when it's bullish, it turns green. When it goes bearish, it turns red. This belongs to us. TWE trend candles. Boom. What happened in here was on Sunday, I knew the market was still gonna retest previous multiple time frame green arrow here. Perfect hit. And then from there, I said market was gonna come back and retest your 61 to your 50 Fibonacci line. Perfect hit. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. And then what else did I say next? I said the market was gonna continue selling. So right now, this candle here is doing exactly what I just told you. So far, guys, so far, how many trades we took? I gave you guys 5 pairs. Out of 5 pairs, how many went against us? Only 1. So that means we are winning today 90% of our trades. So hell yeah, guys. So far, the month of September, guys, this is the 3rd week already with 1 loss. Hell yeah, guys, this is amazing. And I did a video the other day that I collect 1,389 pips trading gold. Boom, I told you guys the gold was gonna be paying us very well, and it's doing it. So guys, come and join us. Don't be shy, guys. Either join our 30 days trial on YouTube, or either grab our multiple time frame. But remember, what are we doing today? We are reviewing our Forex midweek forecast for the week of September 20 to the 24. This is just a follow-up, and make sure you do subscribe. And our website is below, tweforexsystem.com. Once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on tomorrow live session. Don't forget to share it with your other fellow traders, and make sure you do subscribe. So once again, guys, God bless you. God bless a beautiful nation, the United States, and God bless the world and your family. So thank you, guys. Hasta mañana. Peace out. Bye-bye.